how to turn on or turn off YouTube history tracking on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down, then tap on security and privacy. Then we scroll down and tap on more privacy settings. In here, we scroll down and then tap on activity controls. Now tap on in the YouTube history, so we need to scroll down to YouTube history, then tap on turn on or turn off button. Here we're going to tap on turn off. Now you need to scroll down, then tap on the pause button. And it says here setting is off, not saving new YouTube history. If you want to delete all activity, you can do so by tapping on delete all activity. Here I will not delete it for now. And that's it. To turn it back on, we go back to the same place, YouTube history, and then tap on turn on, and then tap on turn on. And that's it. So that is how you can turn on or turn off YouTube history tracking on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.